YouTube algorithm kills small creators. No, YouTube algorithm doesn't. Today we are sparking a new tutorial called step-by-step details of how to build viral YouTube channel to pro level. If you are a pro, yes, you're still going to learn something here. Step back. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you the YouTube update. I am also going to give you the tricks of how to make viral content. I'm also going to give you the hacks the pro YouTubers hides from everyone, the algorithm friendliness, and the entire YouTube ecosystem. Welcome back, Catalyst. If you find this video useful, please catalyze the subscription button now, like and share. And here are the pro tips. Learn how to tell stories that spark emotion, stories that create curiosity in people. For you to go viral, you must learn how to manipulate the emotions of the people. The secret of going viral is in manipulating people's emotions. Tap into the emotional states in your content. And with this, you are just next door to virality. Quantity creates quality. The more you create videos, the more better you become. Over time, your videos are going to keep becoming better until your videos turn pro. YouTube algorithm kills small creators. No, YouTube algorithm doesn't. What actually kills small creators is quitting. YouTube needs some time to study, understand your videos. It must understand your video. That is why you see that quantity becomes better. There are a lot of bots that spam YouTube. You do not expect YouTube to start promoting your video after 5, 6, 7 videos or thereabout. No. By the time you start making 20-something up to 30-something videos, algorithm has no choice than to understand this channel is human and this channel is due for recommendation. Once a particular video goes viral, the rest of the videos has peaked. And that is when you start smiling. Alright, go to YouTube Studio, then to settings. In audience, mark whether your channel is made for kids or not. This is required by YouTube law. Set this once here so you don't have to be doing it over and over again in every video each time you upload. And here, I want to remind you, kids in YouTube are actually minors. So most of the adult content should be marked not made for kids, except videos that are strictly meant for kids. Most of all those grade 4, grade 3, grade 2 contents, you need to customize your channel. Yeah, to customize your channel, add your channel description. And here, you need to focus on the value your channel provides to the viewers, not just personal story and other crap. Add certain keywords and links to your social media or website if you have one. Channel SEO and discoverability. All the tags and hashtags that is associated to your channel help the viewers to discover your channel through search or through recommendation. So you must remain consistent in that your niche and keep doing things that are related to that niche. So the algorithm will over time master that channel and then create an audience for it. Yeah, right here under permissions, you can invite team members to help you manage your channel. They will only have access to the channel, not your entire Google account. Filter spams in comments. Go to the community moderation, then comment, control set messages in your chat. There are a lot of spammers that come under your comment section. So you need to filter most of the spam comments, if not even all. Yes, then content control, set message in your chat to basic, and then under block words, add all the spam words you know. Or if you don't have any, just copy my own. You can see I have created my own here, then which I use. Still in the settings, invisibility. Set to unlisted, never straight to public. You will want time to add your title, description, and thumbnail first. You need to allow YouTube algorithm time to read through and understand your video before making it public. There's a way the algorithm works. When you upload video, the algorithm needs some time to go through your video, go through your thumbnails, go through your titles, go through your descriptions, go through your hashtags. That is when algorithm then knows whether it has an issue, and then you know how to push your video. These are some of the secrets of virality. For any video to be viral, the YouTube algorithm must take time for us to understand it before making it public. There's what we call impression. Impression is the number of times the algorithm pushes your video out. When you allow your video straight into the public, the impression at that first day or 2 days you uploaded your video is going to be bad because it's still taking time to study it. So don't play with this setting. Always leave it on unlisted. You need to add a watermark at the bottom corner of your video. It acts as a subtle subscribe button. A lot of people mistakenly subscribe to your channel, not that they want to. Once they click on that video, it takes them straight to the subscription page of your channel. And it's one of the tricks of growing subscribers very fast on YouTube. If you aren't a graphic artist or don't have someone to design thumbnails for you, check out the videos on how to make viral thumbnails for YouTube videos and also for pro YouTube banners. Watch this video how to make perfect YouTube banner without being a pro. YouTube has just come with a new update, and this update is what is going to shoot you up for virality instantly. For those who are going to catch this, I am telling you that if you have been rolling on 1,000 views, 500 views, 2,000 views, you could just see yourself in 10,000, 50,000 views. Now, how does this go? This is called auto dubbing. You know, formally, contents are restricted according to the languages. For instance, your content is in English. And once your content is in English, your content will be restricted to English-speaking countries or English-speaking regions. Now, you see that is a lot of restriction on the content. A content that could actually be global, just because of language barrier, your content will only be restricted to those one who can understand your language. But right now, there's a new game changer called auto-dubbing. That auto-dubbing in YouTube actually means dubbing that same language of yours into other languages and attaching it to your content. Is that not beautiful? Good. But a lot of people don't know this yet. And even the big YouTubers are not ready to tell anyone. But here, I am giving you hot updates. The real update that will actually help you grow organically, not hacks. Just a setting, because it is already part of the programs embedded in the algorithm. Once you do that, the algorithm already understands your channel as leveraging auto dubbing. That means your content is actually global, but formally restricted by languages. Because irrespective of language barrier, there are people that produce content strictly for a particular region. All right, let's go. Yes, from studio to channels to advanced settings, then we'll come down to auto dubbing and we click allow automatic dubbing. Now look at this down one that says manually review dubs before publishing. No, this will be giving you a lot of job. Allow it dub first, so you'll be able to review which language and whatever. No, just allow the algorithm do it, because algorithm understands better where your audience are. Just allow automatic dubbing and that's all. Don't check this manually review dubs before publishing. Don't do that. If you do that, it's still going to give you a lot of hard work. Befty the creator here. You are the catalyst. Catalyze the subscription and the share button.